a little. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
So this is baby Luca. He is going to be 2 months tomorrow. And this is his second adjustment. Ready for this? Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's it. Here you go. Here you go. Alright, alright. Okay, okay. Hey, hey. Good. Now let's get the neck. Ready? So the neck is very easy. I'm just gonna feel if it's off. I'm gonna correct it with a little this contact. Hey buddy, look at this cute little face. Okay, okay. One more. Good, good. Yes, it just doesn't take a lot. Just push it in just a little bit with this and it will move. Okay, now we're gonna check the hips. Ready, buddy? I don't hear any clicking. That's a good thing. Yes, that's a really good thing. He's strong, very strong. Actually. He's gonna be tough. 2 months old, but he got a lot of strength. Okay, now you're gonna get the hip. Ready? There you go. Good. How was it? Wasn't bad? Good. Get the other side. So I just hold him here, stabilize him. Ready? I'm waiting for him to relax a little. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Done. Now he's looking around. He's in the shock mode. What? That just happened. Do you hear that? Uh-oh. What just happened? He's in the shock mode. Yeah, you're gonna love it. All right. Thank you.